Hey there, in this quick video I want to share with you how you can possibly fix if your Canon R5 is overheating, what you can try to do. So first thing first, you want to make sure that you're gonna have latest firmware. This is the most important thing. The second thing you can try to do, this is something that I read also, is that you can try to have faster SD card. The third thing is that you don't want to leave the camera active while you're doing other stuff. So if it's like on a tripod feeding an FFV or rear screen, and especially if it's processing AF and running the IBYS, so to completely turn it off or assign a button to sleep the camera. Also, make sure the EVF option is disabled. And also the last thing I have for you is that even when you are going to, let's use it outside, and it's a hot outside during summer, let's say, what you want to do is that you just want to, even when you're gonna have it back, it's not going to be sufficient, so completely turn it off and have it in shade, right? And then what you can try to do is have also Ninja 5, and it should give you much more longer record time. So this is another thing that you can try to do. And I hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.